traders, dollar Swiss daily time frame. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. We have swing low, swing high, retrace, swing low, swing high, retrace, grab a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. I'm looking for an entry point into the 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci zone. That's my sweet spot. However, I want to see price action play out in a certain way. So what we'll do is we'll go down and have a look at the lower time frame. Potential entry. Wow, wrong color. Bear with me for a sec. Okay. Going to go down the time frame and I'll explain to you exactly what I'm looking for. Right? So the 4-hour chart, these swing points stack up as it does on the daily. Okay, always looking at these swing points. This is the current trading range at the moment. Well, we're trading at a premium right now, right? And I want to get in at a discount. Potential entry. Right, so Fibonacci retrace. What I want to see is if we go down to a 15-minute time frame, okay, I want to see price start to trade. Now we're getting a bit of a shift. We've got a change of character here. So see this lower low, lower high at the moment. That's starting to show a potential shift. Possibly. I mean, it could hold here and continue up. But what I want to see is this to continue down into my level, range sideways, fake out, shake out, trade with speed, displacement to the upside. All right. My first target will be this high here. Target TP there. However, this only applies if this price action plays out, because the thing with this is we've got this value area that you can see here, right through here, where it's ranged. We dip down at ranged again, right? That's the first port of call. Now, it could look to rotate bullish at that point, or it could look for liquidity further south, right? This is only the midway point of this current price swing, right? This could pull back further. All right, so just understand that. The other thing you want to be looking out for is things like this. So if we go to, say, a 30-minute chart, open it up, I'm looking for signs of an imbalance. Well, we've got one here. Okay, that could be a thing. So we'll just mark that up. That could be a target for price. You know, it's minimal. There's nothing significant in terms of an imbalance at the moment on the 30. Have a look at it on the 1H. See how it stacks up. Yeah, this is okay. 1 hour time frame imbalance. Candle on the left high, the candle on the right low. Pull it through. So that to me is a very valid target for this to look to trade back, you know, and rebalance, right? So look for price to start to range and then look for the break of market structure bullish. That's the clue. And until this down here occurs, we don't have anything, right? And again, that could happen. It could happen here. It could happen, where are we? Well, there's a level there. There's, you know, other levels under here that could possibly be a target for this. So wherever this plays out and we get a bullish break of structure, that's your cue. So I hope you understand that. This is not a prediction that price is going to rotate at that point there. Okay, guys, so that's my take on the dollar Swissy. I'm bullish if we get this pullback and we see it rotate. With that, I'd invite you to leave a comment. That would be awesome. And I hope you have a great day. Safe trading and see you in the next one.